Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great start to August. And you guys, I think this is my last box. My last single swag. I keep saying that each month I think is the last, but this one I think is the last. So single swag, I subscribed to it for a year and quickly realized that I probably wish I hadn't done that. Not really happy with the subscription. If you pay for it full price, it's about $40 a month, $39.99. Can we call that $40 a month? That was what it was when I subscribed. However, they do run discount codes periodically. You can sometimes get 40% off, 50% off. I got a 50% off deal. So I paid for an entire year. It cost me, instead of $400, which is a discounted for paying for 12 boxes, I actually paid $200 for my year. So this, honestly, if you figure it's a $40 a month box, this is about a $20 a month box out of my pocket by using and getting that 50% deal. So let's see what's in this box. This is what it looks like. As you see, they give you a card, and the card tells you a little bit about all the products in it and their MSRP. They're claiming the total value of this month's box is $205. So, I don't know. Let's see what we got. Let's just get right in it. Oh, this is nice. Okay, first thing is nice, right? You guys know I like this stuff because I have a tendency to buy these and give these away. This is a hot and cold gel bead eye mask by Banter Beauty. I like the color. I do like that. Actually, you guys, I was just shopping and saw something very similar to this. They are saying this is $24. I think the one I saw in the store is like $10, but I was at a discount store. This is a little smashed, but the whole box is a little smashed by the post office. So it says for cold therapy, you place in the refrigerator for 1 hour or the freezer for 30 minutes prior to use. For warm therapy, you can place in the microwave for 10 to 15 seconds. It says gently place over your eyes to relieve swelling or puffiness. So it does say it's 100% PVC, imported. Let's see. If the mask becomes damaged and the fillings start to spill out, please discard. So they say this is $24. It says the Spa Essential provides hot and cold relief and relaxation at home or on the go. The adjustable mask will soothe your tired eyes and face while helping to prevent puffiness and increase blood flow. Honestly, you guys, like, this is the kind of thing that I would reach for when I get headachy, because maybe a lot of people do this. I do. A lot of people in my family do. When we get a headache, we'll put a cold washcloth over our eyes to kind of help, blocks out the light, kind of soothes the headache feeling. So this is very nice. $24. You can get stuff like this at the discount stores for like $10, but very nice. I can see that it's basically got a headband, so you can strap it on your head. All right, next item. This feels heavy. All right, what is this? Emases, E-M-A-S-E-S is what the brand is. It says it is Aloe and Tea Tree Toner, and it's $28. Really? For 150 milliliters or 5 ounces. Really? Y'all, toner is not really needing to be that expensive. It says this is a soothing, reparative toner, has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial, which would be the tea tree oil, properties designed to soothe tired skin while helping heal infections that cause itchiness and irritation. For best results, apply toner to freshly clean skin as a part of your AM and PM routine. If you have infections that cause itchiness and irritation, I don't think I would be looking at a tea tree or an aloe toner. I would definitely, if you have an infection of your skin, be seeing a doctor. The price is a little high, in my opinion. $28 for 5 ounces is kind of crazy. Very cute. I like that it's shrink sealed. That's very nice. Not going to spill out. I mean, I'll use it, but I would never buy it in the store for $28, you guys. I don't mind toners, but I don't think that you need to be spending crazy amounts of money on them. They're not like serums. Okay, next item is a squishy. What do we got here? It is a Ivy Olivia Spa headband. And it says this is $20. Really? Says, look chic during your post-shower beauty routine with this versatile essential piece that serves as both a headband and a hair tie together. Use during face cleansing, apply masks or other skinning routines. So it's a headband. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. That's what it is. Honestly, 20 bucks for that? Really? Really? I would not buy it in the store for $20. I mean, it's just not cute. Oh, I have my headband that I used last week's Mask Monday Ladies. This is an adorable headband, and it was not $20. Now, I know this actually came from mi amiga, Miss Johanna, but you can buy these very similar for like not $20 at the discount stores. Hang on. So I don't know. I mean, I get it. You know, these are actually really nice to use for, and what I use these for is either in the morning or in the evening if I'm washing my face, or in the morning when I'm applying my SPF and makeup and stuff. So, I mean, I'm not unhappy to get that. I just wouldn't spend $20 on something like this in the store. I'd probably be looking like at Walmart for something less than 10, but it's nice. I'm happy to have that. Oh, Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics Lip Oil Duo. There are 2, and they are 3.7 grams each, or 0.13 ounces each. Kind of cute. Let's see. This is $28 for a lip oil duos. Designed to keep lips hydrated and moisturized no matter what the temperature. Perfect for warm and cold climates. That's Wisconsin. My Wisconsin girls out there, you tell me right. A little warm, a little cold. That's us. Oil melts into your lips to condition and soften while sealing in hydration, providing hours of iridescent shine. Yeah, I got hooked on lip oils. I'm kind of obsessed. So this one's cute. Super cute. Is there a scent to? Ooh, it's cherry. Okay, yeah, I'm happy. Ooh, this one's orange. Oh, there's an orange one. Yeah, it's little things, y'all. I'll be taking these to work and using these. I am ridiculous. I do love lip oils. Y'all, if you live in Wisconsin, and as soon as the fall comes and everything dries, we go from super hot and humid because, you know, the corn's gone, no more corn humidity. We get right into the cold, dry air. You need your lip oils. I'm telling you. Tell me, Wisconsin girls, I'm wrong. It doesn't get a little cold and dry. What do we got here? Oh, this is weird. From Kitsch Pro, creaseless bobby pins. That's cool. I always have bobby pins and things in my hair. Quantity of 7. Let's see, creaseless bobby pins. Wow. Okay, that's kind of funky, a little unique. The back has a price. This price tag says $7. There's 7 bobby pins, $7. Let's see what the card says. Oh, card says 8. You guys, I'm not kidding. Right here. $7. But the card says 8. All right, it says, securely hold your hair sections in place during styling or makeup application without leaving a mark or bend in your hair. Featuring a non-slip silicone wrap, these pins create a comfortable, soft touch hold that is sure to stay put. It says $8. I'm not kidding, you guys. I say my fingernail. I'm going to point to it, all right? Right above my fingernail. Get it all centered. $8. This one says 7. I'm just saying. I'll probably hang on to those because, you know, the hair. This is actually not a bad box. This is going to be the $48 to $56 of jewelry we get every month. We always get a jewelry piece. So let's see. Where is it? Where is it? $52. Amelia Rue. Pear-shaped natural amethyst, $52. Told you, somewhere between $48 and $56. Add style and elegance to your collection with this chic pear-shaped natural amethyst stone necklace and earring set finished in sterling silver. The necklace measures 17 inches long with a 3-inch extender. So, okay. I like amethyst, so that's cool. Gently take it out. Aw, very cute. Oh, that's nice. I don't think I would be spending $50 on this, but it's cute. You know, the actual necklace piece is nothing to get excited about. I mean, it is okay looking. It's nice. The back, the earrings, they've got the nice balancer earring backs, which I really like. So that's cute. Very cute. Very, very cute. And I like, it's purple, it's amethyst. I like that. So, don't know if I'll keep it. I have a lot. You guys, I used to sell jewelry a long, kind of another lifetime. I sold jewelry, so I have a lot of jewelry. Yeah. So, very cute. I mean, I love the purple. I love amethyst. 52 bucks. I wouldn't spend that in the store on that, but hey. All right, we have something else heavy here, and this is Kueshi, K-U-E-S-H-I Naturals. Kueshi shower gel. And do we have a size on this? 6.76 fluid ounces or 200 milliliters. And lemon, I'm thinking. Yep, lemon shower gel. $23. It says a natural vegan shower gel containing chamomile and lemon extracts will cleanse and protect your skin throughout the day while leaving behind fresh lemon scent. So you're going to smell like a lemon cleanser. Let's smell. Ooh. Y'all know I love lemon and lime. It smells like lemon, but it's not really strong. So I will use that. That's fine. I will use that. Make sure, you know, I'll use it. I don't have any issues with lemon, so... Looks like one final thing, and I think it's a cuticle oil, if I'm seeing this right. It is. I got cuticle oil coming out of my ears. Not really, but Empower Beauty's cuticle oil. It is pomegranate infused, 15 milliliters or half a fluid ounce. So this is $22. Again, pomegranate infused cuticle oil. It says protect, replenish, and strengthen nails with this ultra moisturizing, quick absorbing cuticle oil infused with pomegranate and sweet almond oil. Apply and massage into each cuticle following hand washing. Let's do it, y'all. I do my own nails, so I like it, you guys. It is not shrink sealed, but it's got a little sticker on here to show that nobody's been in the box. Where's my knife? So that's nice. You know, it's got a little safety seal, if you want to call it that. I don't know why do I have a feeling I'm going to cut my freaking fingers if I'm not careful. Let's see if we can get it open. So this is the nail polish that I got in this month's cutie bag from ZeeSea Cosmetics. Very similar. So this is the color that I got. I've been using that. I liked it, you guys. It went on really easily and it dried really fast. I was very happy. So this is super cute. The thing about cuticle oils, you guys, is it lasts forever. Lasts forever. I have cuticle oil. This is interesting. Most cuticle oils are in like a dropper. This one actually comes with like, it looks like a, you know, nail polish. So you just, ooh, it smells nice. I like that pomegranate. So, you know, you just paint it on. I'm always very generous with my cuticle oil. So I got it on my left hand, and then I always just massage it into the cuticles, the palm of my hand. And honestly, if it's good for your cuticles, it's going to be good for your hands. So it's no big deal. Kind of spread it around a little. I like that pomegranate smell. It smells very nice. So, all right. I will use that as well. So honestly, you guys, for my last month, not a bad box. Right? I mean, I have hated prior months, and this one is, if this is my going out box, I'm pleased, right? Because I will use my cuticle oil. I like the smell of pomegranate. I use cuticle oils because I do my own nails. The shower gel is fine. I will use it. I don't have an issue with shower gels. I do use them, so I don't mind the smell. Honestly, you guys, the smell of lemon makes me just want to eat something lemon. I love lemon and lime. It's delicious. This is, I mean, it's okay. I'm happy to have it. I might put this in the giveaway pile, you guys, because I have a bunch of toners. I don't use a ton of toner. I really don't use so much toner. I have a couple bottles yet of toner, so I'm not unhappy to get this, but I don't like the claims that are put on the card here about if you are trying to heal infections in your skin to use this. I don't agree with that. I think you need to, if you have a skin infection, talk to a dermatologist or at least your primary care person, because like a medical doctor, not a toner. Infections of the skin, you guys, you have to be really careful. So, especially if you're talking about your face. These are weird. But I will try them. It's 7 bobby pins. You know, I've got long hair and that's cool. I use pins and clips in my hair all the time. You guys, I've been using these to like hold my hat on in the wind. I literally just like hold my hat on when I'm outside because otherwise my hat blows off. So I can use pins and clips in my hair. The headband, like I said, I would never spend the money that they claim this is, but I will use this. I will use this either for washing my face at night or in the morning when I'm putting my SPF and stuff on. I will go ahead and use that. The lip oils I like the lip oils. I'll use those. I don't know, you guys. I don't know if I doubt I'll keep this. Honestly, it's pretty jewelry. I like the amethyst. I like the color. I just don't see myself wearing it. Honestly, guys, I really haven't been wearing jewelry a whole lot these days. I'm so active and changing clothes all the time, and I don't even wear like rings, and I should. So, that'll either go in a giveaway or I might give it to a friend or relative or something. This is nice. This is super nice. I think this is a great idea. You know, to have in your, I would keep it in the refrigerator. Honestly, for like headachy days. I do get headachy. We get some kind of crazy weather and that oftentimes triggers a headache. And I like something nice and cold on my face. So I'll keep that. So let me know, you guys, what do you think? That is the end of it. She's empty. There's nothing in there. Not a bad box for my I think this is my last box. Not a bad box. So, you know, my suggestion, if you are interested in trying this, I don't recommend you buying a year. But I would wait and see when they have a deal going. Try to get 40% off if you can't get a 50% off code. And, you know, maybe try it for 3 months or something. But honestly, you guys, my overall impression of this just really wasn't great. It is a lifestyle box. I've said this in other videos. It is more of a lifestyle box. I'm not a fan of those. I did FabFitFun for a year and honestly was fun for a little while, and then I started getting stuff I hated in it, and they've definitely changed up how they do FabFitFun now. You know, if you pay for an entire year, you can pretty much customize everything that comes in your box. But I'm not a big fan of the lifestyle boxes because I find that if I don't have choices, I get stuff I just would never want. So that's me. That is me. I know a lot of my friends, a lot of YouTubers out there really like them, and that's great. It's great. No, you know, no shade on that at all. It's just not me. So let me know your thoughts down below, you guys. Would love to hear it. I honestly, you know, if I were to rank this a 1 out of 10, I would give this box like a 6, which I think is pretty higher than I've given most of this. I've never really given them a number, or given them, I should say, a number ranking on video, but if I were to rank this last one, like from a 1 to 10, 10 being an amazing box, like I said, like a 6. That's me. All right, you guys, I am getting a few things coming in here. I may shoot a couple videos tonight. If I look the same in a couple of videos, that's because that's what I'm doing. And don't forget, we're almost to the end of the big giveaway for the Christmas in July. So, you guys, you're, you know, so close to it being done and picking a winner. I'm pretty excited. So, get in on it. Don't wait because it's almost over. All right. All right, guys. I hope you're having a great one. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.